Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing the Kc66 kit. I got the spare turbo sitting out right now. Going to be doing this housing and everything, since my turbo still has good shaft play and everything. But currently I am taking out my turbo, and the Kc66 kit will be here very shortly, and I can get that all going together. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy. Like some of you know who've taken off these turbos, this back clamp on your up pipes is the worst, the hardest clamp to get off behind the turbo. So I sprayed some PB Blaster on it. I'm gonna let it sit for a while and see if I can get her knocked loose then. I finally got my turbo out. That back clamp was being a huge pain this time. This is the third time I've had it out, and it's been horrible each time. So I'm going to start to disassemble this and get it ready for the kit. Alright, I tore my turbo and pickup apart yesterday, and the box finally came today. Let's open this. KC turbos. Might have to throw that on my back window. Rebuild kit. New 4-inch intake boot all the way. Here comes the fun part. It's hard to do with one hand. Oh, it's taking shape. Woo! Damn. Look at that. So I have my other Wicked Wheel 1 sitting over here. Just gonna set that there. Just gonna pull this out. Set that down. Gosh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. Just for reference, I got my old housing over here. That's OEM, and that's aftermarket. Let's see. Let's do 3 fingers for comparison. Got that. Yeah. It's a lot more airflow. Well, I'm gonna get my turbo all together and throw her in the pickup. Let's do this. Alright, I have my turbo all assembled, so now let's just throw her in the pickup. I'm in my pickup right now after installing the Kc66 kit, and this thing sounds amazing, builds boost like a boss. Alright, I got my turbo in. I'm driving it right now, obviously. but the drive pressure is going from no boost to around uphills around, you can go to 3 pounds of boost. Guess there's 4 now. EGTs we're at 900 going uphill. Usually on flat it goes right around 800. And as you can hear this, it sounds amazing. Can never love too much turbo noises in the cab until it gets annoying. But I'm a person that really likes the noises. I recommend this turbo. It gets a lot more airflow through the turbo. I railed on it once. It reached around 34 to 35 pounds of boost, which is 8 pounds or 9 pounds more than I was making. It does not have any surge in the turbo when shifting, which is really nice. It's a nice clean sound, and so far so good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.